Hello, good day everyone. I am Rose Anguianes from BSCE 3B, and I am here to continue to report to you about the 7 Da Vincian principles. So here are the 7 Da Vincian principles. First is curiosita or curiosity in English. Second is demonstration or demonstration. Three is sensation or sensation. Fourth is esfumato or blending. Fifth is arte e scienza or art and science. Sixth is corporalita or body and movement in English. Seven is connection or the connection in English. So sa mga nagdaang reporter, napag-usapan na natin at nalaman na natin kung ano yung first to five deviation principles. So, ngayon na natakal na natin yung about sa unang 5 principles, let's move on to more na equally important sa approach ni Da Vinci sa buhay. So, ito yung corporalita or body and movement at connection or connection. Itong dalawang principles na to ay tungkol sa pangunawa sa ating physical body and kung paano tayo mag-connect, kung paano nito nagiging konektado ang ating mental and emotional well-being, pati na rin sa ating pagre-recognize ng interconnectedness ng lahat ng bagay sa mundo. So, sa sobrang bilis ng takbo ng buhay ngayon, di natin namamalayan minsan, nakakalimutan natin kung gaano kaimportante ang kalusugan ng ating katawan sa overall performance natin. Hindi lang physically, kundi pati na rin mentally. At the same time, importante rin maintindihan natin na ang lahat ng aspeto ng buhay natin, from science to art, to nature to humanity, ang lahat ng yan ay may connection. So, when we see these connections, it can help boost our creativity, problem-solving skills, at pati na rin ang ating ability to relate and connect with others. So, so let's dive sa differ, let's dive deeper sa dalawang principles na ito at tingnan natin kung paano natin sila pwedeng i-apply sa buhay natin. So, number 6 sa 7 principles is corporalita or body and movement. Understand human anatomy and movement to optimize physical and mental well-being. So, isa sa mga importanteng prinsipyo ni Da Vinci ay ang pag-unawa sa ating human body and movement. This isn't just for artists who want to draw the human form accurately, but it's also crucial for all of us. Kung naiintindihan natin kung paano gumagana yung katawan natin, it helps us to improve our physical and mental health. For example, when we know how to move properly, we can strengthen our bodies and prevent injuries. This is not a this is not only about physical health. When we take care of our body, it also positively affects our mental clarity and mood. So, uh, if we want to be more productive and healthy, we need to prioritize things like exercise, good posture, and healthy habits, which benefits both our physical and mental well-being. So here's the last but not the least in Da Vincian principles, the connection or connection in English. Recognize interconnectedness. Da Vinci saw relationships between art, science, nature, and humanity. In these principles, connection ay nakabatay sa pag-intindi na ang lahat ng bagay ay may connection. For Da Vinci, art, science, nature, and humanity are not separate. They are all interconnected. If we look at the world, we see that everything is related, whether it's in nature, our inventions, or even our everyday lives. But that's why it's important to have a holistic perspective and not just focus on one uh, aspect of life. For example, in solving life's problems, sometimes uh, we need an interdisciplinary approach. Why? It's not just about science. Creativity, art, and human empathy are just as important. When we recognize the interconnectedness of everything, we can approach challenges with a deeper understanding of how things work together. This helps us find better solution and create balance in our lives. And so yeah, that's all. Thanks for listening. And so yeah.